How to recover deleted chats on Instagram. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Instagram. Simply go to your profile located at bottom right corner of your screen. Then click on three lines located at top right corner of your screen. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, simply click on your activity, which is below archive. Scroll down in your activity and you'll find download your information. Click on download your information. It will lead you to this page. Click on download or transfer information. Then select your Instagram and then press on next. Click on some of your information. Then scroll down till you find messages. Make sure there's tick mark in messages and then press on next. After you've done that, click on download to device. Simply select your Gmail and date range. After you've clicked on date range, press on save and then create files. After that, Instagram will send you download information in here. So you need to simply download it from here and you'll be able to recover deleted chats. This is how to recover deleted chats on Instagram. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. I'm Sophia signing off until next time.